Good morning students. Saint Elizabeth School, Anjar. Standard 7. Subject Maths. Chapter 4. Simple Equations. Today's our topic is Solve Simple Equations by Transpose Method. One equation is given x plus 2 is equal to 7. X, it's a variable, 2 and 7, that is the number. Here, some tips given to solve simple equations. First, transposing plus 2 from LHS to RHS makes it minus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 7. What we have to do? We have to put the variable one side and the numbers other side. So, when we shift plus 2 from left hand side to right hand side, it's minus 2. So, x is equal to 7 minus 2. Second, transposing minus 2 from LHS to RHS makes it plus 2. Here, 3x minus 2 is equal to 46. So, when we shift minus 2 from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes plus 2. So, it's 3x is equal to 46 plus 2. Third, transposing into 3 from LHS to RHS makes it divide 3. So 3 multiply x is equal to 42. Now we shift multiplication 3 from LHS to right hand side. It becomes divide 3. So x is equal to 42 divide 3. Fourth, transposing divide 2 from LHS to RHS makes its multiplication 2. X divide 2 is equal to 6. Now, when we shift divide 2 from LHS to RHS, it becomes in the multiplication form. So, it's x is equal to 6 multiply 2. Now, let's understand how to solve this equation with some example. Solve the following equations. First one is y minus 4 is equal to 4. Now here minus 4, it's a left hand side. When we shift it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 4. So y is equal to 4 plus 4. So y is equal to 8. X plus 6 is equal to 2. Now here plus 6, it's a left hand side. When we shift it LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 6. So x is equal to 2 minus 6. So x is equal to minus 4. 8y is equal to 36. Now here 8 is the multiplication form with the y. So when we shift it from LHS to RHS, it becomes in the division form. Therefore, y is equal to 36 divide 8. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. So 10p is equal to 100 minus 10 because we shift 10 from LHS to RHS, so it becomes minus 10. So 10p is equal to 90. Now here 10 is in the multiplication form with the p. When we shift from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes in the division form. So P is equal to 90 divide 10. So 10 nines are 90. It's a P is equal to 9. Z upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 4. Now here 3 is in the division form. So when we shift from LHS to RHS, it becomes in the multiplication form. So Z is equal to 5 upon 4 multiply 3. Therefore Z is equal to 15 upon 4 because 5 3 Z it's a 15. So it's a 15 upon 4. (3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Here minus 2, it is in the left hand side. So when we shift from LHS to RHS, it is in the plus form. So 3n is equal to 46 plus 2. Therefore 3n is equal to 48. Now 3 is in the multiplication form with the n. So when we shift it from LHS to RHS, it is in the division form. So n is equal to 48 divide 3. Therefore n is equal to 16 because 16 3s are 48. 20p divide 3 is equal to 40. Now we shifted 3 from LHS to RHS, it becomes in the multiplication form. So 20p is equal to 40 multiply 3. So 20p is equal to 120. Now we shift 20 from LHS to RHS, it becomes in the division form. Therefore p is equal to 120 divide 20. Therefore p is equal to 6. 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. Now we shifted 5 upon 2 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus. So 2y is equal to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. So it's a 2y is equal to 32 upon 2. Therefore 2y is equal to 16 because 16 2s are 32. Now 2 is in the multiplication form, so we shift from LHS to RHS, it is in the division. So y is equal to 16 divide 2. Therefore y is equal to 8 because 2 8s are 16. 2 into bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. Here 2, it is in the multiplication form. So we shift from LHS to RHS, it is in the division form. So x plus 4 is equal to 12 divide 2. Therefore x plus 4 is equal to 6 because 2 6 are 12. Now we shift 4 from LHS to RHS, it becomes in the minus form. Therefore x is equal to 6 minus 4. Therefore x is equal to 2. 3 into bracket n minus 5 is equal to 21. Now we shifted 3 from LHS to RHS, it becomes in the division form. So n minus 5 is equal to 21 upon 3. So n minus 5 is equal to 7 because 3 7s are 21. Now we shifted minus 5 from LHS to RHS, it becomes the plus. So n is equal to 7 plus 5. Therefore n is equal to 12. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into bracket t plus 2. So 16 minus 4 is equal to 3 into bracket t plus 2. 16 minus 4, it's a 12 is equal to 3 into bracket t plus 2. Now we shifted 3 from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes in the division form. So 12 divide 3 is equal to t plus 2. Here 3 4s are 12, so it's a 4 is equal to t plus 2. Now 4 minus 2 is equal to T because we shifted 2 from RHS to LHS. So therefore T is equal to 2. The next topic that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.